the office of the wall to buy tickets. So it's 200 kunas for adults per person and 50 kunas for kids.
And now we have access to the wall.
Yes, we can get in the wall.
Let's go.
Just on the right.
Yeah, and I believe there's going to be a good number of steps that we're going to climb up.
1,500 or what is it?
Yeah.
Hello sir, where do you buy tickets from?
You see?
And these are pretty steep steps.
Yeah.
Hi.
Wow. Really nice today.
Wow, it's really steep.
Is this at the start?
This is just the start.
Yeah.
This is the location where Cersei's daughter departs King's Landing and goes.
Amazing.
We can even walk up to that fire there. My God. So the wall is the main reason why Dubrovnik is known as the Pearl of the Adriatic. Another restaurant for some refreshments, drinks and some fresh fruits. We ordered, so we finished about a 1 hour walk on the wall and we came across this restaurant, so we ordered some fresh fruits, which is pretty refreshing and hydrating after walking in the hot sun.
And of course, what a view.
This is where we took the pirate ship yesterday, and you even get tickets for the island tours.
Should I go running?
Go.
Okay.
For calories.
Oh yeah, you're good. Fast. Wow, look at the city from here. Are we done?
Not yet. I think there's one more high point there,
Okay,
and
so
there's some more climbing of stairs.
and there we are, Fort Minčeta.
This served as an entrance in Game of Thrones where Daenerys lost her dragons and she goes in search. So this was the point where they did the shooting.
Fort Minčeta. Let's climb up.
Finished the highest point of the city wall, and now it's all a downward walk. We finished most of it except for Gradek and Lovrijenik, so that will be our next
That's the
stop.
fort on the opposite side.
Exactly, that's Lovrijenik fort, and besides that is Gradek.
So see you again.